The journey of every football begins with carefully selected synthetic leather, fabric layers, and high-quality rubber materials. Multiple layers of synthetic materials are combined to create a durable outer covering, capable of withstanding thousands of powerful kicks. Advanced cutting machines create perfectly shaped panels that will later form the iconic football design. Before assembly, each panel receives high-quality graphics and markings, using precision industrial printing technology. After printing is complete, every panel is carefully sorted and organized. Workers prepare the exact combination of panels that will later form the official football design. Experienced craftsmen stitch each panel together with precision. Every stitch contributes to the football's strength, durability, and perfectly balanced shape. Inside every football is a specially engineered rubber bladder designed to maintain air pressure and performance. After the football shell is nearly complete, a high-quality rubber bladder is inserted inside. This bladder will hold air and help the football maintain its shape and performance during play. Experienced craftsmen complete the final seam by hand. This important step securely locks the bladder inside and creates the football's final structure. Once assembly is complete, the football is inflated to exact pressure standards. This process gives the ball its final shape, balance, and professional playing performance before every football must pass a strict bounce test before approval. Advanced testing systems measure rebound height, consistency, and performance. This ensures that every ball undergoes stitching and graphics shows zero degradation. This guarantees maximum durability on the pitch. Before packaging, each football receives a final inspection to ensure premium quality. Approved footballs are packaged and prepared for shipment to stores and stadiums around the world. From raw materials to finished products, millions of footballs leave factories every year, ready to be used by players across the globe.